AI is transforming the world, and the demand for skilled AI professionals has never been higher. Whether you want to become a leading AI consultant or a certified trainer delivering AI in a box training programs, our flexible training paths, online, hands-on, and in person, are your gateway to success. Start with our free offering or dive into advanced tracks to shape your career in AI. Register now, book your session, or visit our website to take the first step toward a future in one of the most in-demand careers today.
Let's dive into how AI operates, starting with the fascinating aspect of data collection and input. AI thrives on various types of data, which can come from text documents, images, or even sensors like weather stations or health monitors.
Exactly. Picture a language translation app. It gathers text data from different languages to understand and translate between them. This diversity in data enriches the app's ability to accurately translate.
Once the data is collected, it needs to be processed. This involves cleaning, which means removing errors or irrelevant parts, and normalization, which standardizes formats. Think of it like sorting a playlist, removing duplicate songs and organizing them by artist or genre.
That makes sense. And how does this data actually get into the AI systems?
Data can enter through various methods. For example, APIs or application programming interfaces automate the data flow, like how cloud storage services automatically sync files across devices. There's also manual uploads by users, which are common too.
Now, let's talk about understanding algorithms and models. Machine learning, a core part of AI, helps systems learn from data patterns to make decisions. It's like teaching a computer to recognize a cat by showing it thousands of cat photos.
Once the model is trained with these photos, it's tested to evaluate accuracy. This testing and adjustment process refines the model over time. For instance, in speech recognition, systems are trained on numerous voice recordings to convert spoken words into text.
What about the types of algorithms used in machine learning?
There are a few popular types. Neural networks mimic the human brain to identify complex patterns. Decision trees model decisions and consequences in a tree-like structure. Support vector machines classify data into categories. Each has its strengths depending on the task.
Let's break down the machine learning processes. Supervised learning uses labeled data, where the input and expected outcome are known, like distinguishing spam from non-spam emails.
In unsupervised learning, AI identifies hidden patterns without explicit labels, such as clustering customer purchase behaviors to improve marketing strategies. Then there's reinforcement learning, where AI learns through trial and error, similar to training a dog with treats.
AI also plays a significant role in decision-making and applications. It analyzes data to suggest products or help doctors diagnose conditions.
And it automates tasks to boost efficiency. We see this in automated customer service chatbots or robotic assembly lines. Real-world applications include virtual assistants like Alexa or Siri, autonomous vehicles, and fraud detection systems monitoring transactions for unusual activity.
The importance and relevance of AI are evident in its efficiency and accuracy. It speeds up decision-making while ensuring precision, from financial predictions to medical imaging.
AI also drives innovative solutions across sectors, like personalized medicine or advanced financial analysis. And its future potential promises to revolutionize industries and enhance daily life, from personal gadgets to climate change models.
To sum it up, AI systems collect data, process it with intelligent algorithms, and generate outputs that drive practical uses across industries. Understanding AI empowers people and organizations to leverage its potential, fueling innovation and efficiency in many aspects of life.
Let's dive into the fascinating world of AI by exploring its different types. AI, or artificial intelligence, is quite a broad field. It's helpful to start with what we call narrow AI.
Narrow AI is the most common type. It's tailored to perform specific tasks, like recognizing your voice. Think about virtual assistants like Siri or Alexa. They respond to your questions, set alarms, or control smart lights in your home.
Exactly. Narrow AI is great at what it does, but it can't handle tasks outside its design. General AI, on the other hand, is a theoretical concept right now. It's about creating computers that can perform any intellectual task a human can.
That's right, but it's important to remember that general AI is not yet a reality. It's more of a goal that researchers are working towards. And then there's superintelligent AI, a level where AI surpasses human intelligence in all areas. It's still more science fiction than reality at this point.
Moving on, let's uncover how AI is developed. There are several stages in the life cycle of AI development, starting with data collection.
Data collection is crucial because it's like the foundation of a house. For instance, if you're building an AI to recognize animals, you need lots of images of different animals.
Once you have the data, you move to feature engineering, which is like picking the best ingredients for a recipe. It ensures the AI learns efficiently. Then comes model training. Think of it as teaching a child by showing them examples.
After training, evaluation and refinement come into play. It's akin to giving the AI a quiz to test its knowledge and make improvements based on the results. Each phase is vital for developing AI that can learn and adapt over time.
Now let's compare AI with traditional programming. AI learns from data and finds patterns by itself, whereas traditional programming requires exact instructions for every task.
This means AI has the flexibility to adapt to new information, making it great for dynamic environments. Traditional software would need manual updates for new situations.
To see AI in action, consider its real-world use, like in the banking sector. AI helps analyze huge data sets to assess someone's creditworthiness, which helps reduce human bias in decision-making.
That's a great example of AI enhancing efficiency and fairness. By now, you should have a solid understanding of AI's structure, how it differs from conventional programming, and its practical applications.
This foundation prepares you for future exploration into more advanced AI topics, including ethical considerations. Understanding these basics allows us to appreciate AI's role in our world today and envision its potential tomorrow. Let's dive into the intriguing world of AI models versus conventional programming. First, we'll explore traditional programming.
In traditional programming, developers provide computers with meticulous step-by-step instructions. This approach ensures that each action is precisely controlled, much like giving a recipe to a chef.
Exactly. With consistent ingredients, our outcomes are predictable. If there's an error or bug in the recipe, debugging it is often straightforward, though it gets trickier as the recipe grows in length and complexity.
That's right, Sarah. Editing a large recipe can be cumbersome, and if you need to tweak it, you must go through each step carefully. Now, let's compare this to AI programming.
AI programming is more like teaching a chef to create dishes by learning from experience rather than following a fixed recipe. It involves training models using past data and labeled outcomes, allowing the AI to identify patterns and relationships within the data.
AI is particularly adept at recognizing complex patterns, which is useful when you can't easily define the rules or when they change often. Imagine having a chef who can adapt their cooking to each guest's preferences seamlessly.
That's a great analogy. AI models act as this flexible chef, generating data models capable of predicting future outcomes and improving over time as they learn from new experiences.
Now, let's compare AI and traditional programming. AI offers efficiency and adaptability, thriving in dynamic and unpredictable environments. Traditional programming excels in providing stability and control in more static settings.
For instance, AI is excellent for tasks such as image recognition, finding objects in photos, or natural language processing, like understanding voice commands. Conventional programming, however, is perfect for tasks like managing databases or developing accounting software.
So, what does this mean when choosing an approach? The key is understanding the strengths of each method. It's about balancing control with adaptability to effectively solve real-world challenges.
In summary, recognizing when to use AI or traditional programming can significantly impact how well a problem is addressed, ensuring you leverage each approach appropriately. Next, we'll look into how AI applications are transforming various industries. Chess has always been a great way to test human intelligence, right? It's strategic, complex, and requires deep thinking. But nowadays, it's also an intriguing space for exploring artificial intelligence, or AI. Let's see how AI tackles chess compared to traditional programming methods.
When we talk about conventional programming in chess, we're referring to a method where the program follows predefined rules. Imagine it like giving a set of step-by-step instructions to a robot for making a sandwich.
Exactly. The programmer writes detailed code to cover every possible move and board position. It's like having a massive manual for every situation. But there's a catch.
Right, Sarah. These programs can be quite inflexible. They struggle when faced with unexpected scenarios on the chessboard, and coding every single possibility is extremely tedious, given the vast number of chess moves.
Now enter AI. AI learns chess differently. Instead of being told exactly what to do, AI plays loads of games, learning the rules and strategies as it goes. It's like learning to ride a bike by actually riding it.
And through learning algorithms, AI analyzes the outcomes of these games and keeps improving. It doesn't have a fixed strategy, but adapts based on its experiences from past games. Like a student getting better with each test.
This means AI can predict future moves with astonishing accuracy, often even surpassing human players. Its ability to rapidly process information and continuously learn gives it quite an edge.
Plus, with machine learning, AI's skills keep evolving. Its playstyle becomes more refined over time, reflecting the ongoing advancements in AI technology.
So why does this matter beyond chess? Well, chess is like a mini version of the complex, dynamic challenges AI can handle in real life. It's a great showcase of AI's analytical capabilities.
That's true. Understanding AI in chess helps us appreciate its potential in other strategic and analytical tasks, from financial forecasting to managing supply chains. It's like a foundation for understanding more advanced AI applications.
In a nutshell, the shift from traditional programming to AI in chess illustrates a move towards more adaptive and learning-based approaches. It's an exciting evolution that holds promise for the future of technology and strategy.
Let's now explore how these principles apply to different real-world situations. Stay curious as we dive deeper into the fascinating world of AI.
Let's dive into the key phases of the AI lifecycle, starting with feature engineering. So, what exactly is feature engineering?
Think of feature engineering as prepping ingredients before cooking. You need to wash, chop, and measure them to make your recipe work. Similarly, in AI, it's about transforming raw data into a format that's perfect for building models.
That sounds important. Why does it matter so much?
Well, proper feature engineering can greatly boost the accuracy and performance of AI models. It's like giving the model the best possible information to make informed predictions.
Can you give us some practical examples?
Absolutely. For instance, choosing the most important data is crucial. You want to select variables that really affect the outcome. And what if there's missing data? You have to decide whether to fill in those gaps or remove incomplete records.
Moving on, what about algorithm fine-tuning? How does that fit into the AI lifecycle?
Algorithm fine-tuning is all about tweaking the settings of an AI model, like adjusting a recipe's ingredients to suit your taste. It fine-tunes to achieve the best possible performance.
That makes sense. Why is fine-tuning so significant?
Fine-tuning is crucial for improving a model's prediction, accuracy, and efficiency. This ensures it performs optimally in real-world scenarios.
Could you share some examples of how fine-tuning is applied?
Sure. One method is hyperparameter tuning, which involves modifying specific model settings to enhance results. Another is cross-validation techniques, where you test the model's performance on various data subsets to ensure it's robust and not overfitted to one dataset.
Now let's discuss model performance assessment. What does this involve?
Model performance assessment is about checking how well the model performs its task and the reliability of its predictions.
And why is this assessment phase important?
Evaluating a model ensures it meets performance standards and can be trusted for decisions or predictions. Without it, you wouldn't know if the model is doing its job correctly.
What metrics are used to measure performance?
There are several, like precision, which measures how many predicted positives are accurate. Recall assesses how many real positives were correctly identified. The F1 score balances precision and recall, which is important when you don't want false positives or negatives tipping the scale.
Lastly, let's cover the feedback loop. What is this phase about?
A feedback loop is a continuous process of refining the model based on its results. It's like learning from feedback to improve over time.
Why is a feedback loop critical in the AI lifecycle?
Feedback allows AI models to evolve and enhance their predictions and performance. It's essential for adapting to new data and improving future applications.
How would you implement a feedback loop?
You'd adjust features and models based on performance outcomes. This keeps them accurate and reliable over time.
Understanding the AI lifecycle seems really valuable. Why is it so important for AI solutions?
Grasping these phases helps in developing robust AI solutions. It allows businesses and developers to create systems that continually improve and adapt.
Can you provide a real-world example?
Sure. Consider a recommendation system like those online retailers use. By applying the AI lifecycle, a company can refine the system for better customer satisfaction. It results in more accurate product suggestions, tailored shopping experiences, and ultimately boosts sales and customer loyalty.
Great, we've covered the AI lifecycle. Let's move on to our next topic. Let's dive into how machine learning is reshaping the banking loan application process today. Banks are constantly looking for ways to make better and faster decisions, and machine learning helps them do just that.
That's right, Sarah. Imagine you're applying for a loan. Machine learning can help determine your eligibility more efficiently by analyzing your credit score, income, and other financial details. This ensures decisions are not only faster, but also more informed.
Exactly. And a critical step in this process is what's known as feature engineering. This is where banks figure out which pieces of your information are the most important for predicting whether you'll pay back the loan.
So, they start by identifying relevant data. This means collecting credit scores, income details, and other financial metrics. These are crucial in assessing one's ability to repay. Think of it like cooking. You need to gather the right ingredients to make a tasty dish.
That's a great analogy. And just like in cooking, the quality of those ingredients matters. Ensuring the data is accurate and complete is essential for reliable outcomes.
Once they have the data, they select the important features, such as your employment history or credit history. They use statistical methods to pick the ones that will make the model most effective.
Then comes the fine-tuning of the algorithm. You can think of this as adjusting the recipe to get the best flavor. They use historical data from past applications to train their models.
And that's where supervised learning comes in. The algorithm learns from labeled data to improve its prediction accuracy. It's like giving someone feedback on a recipe so they can make it better next time.
Right. And they need to adjust model parameters, things like learning rates, to boost performance. They might use cross-validation, which is a technique to test how well their model performs on different data samples.
Evaluating the model's performance is crucial. They measure accuracy using metrics like precision and recall. It's similar to checking if the dish meets taste tests before serving.
And if the model doesn't perform as expected, they refine it continuously to avoid it being too complex or too simple, which are known as overfitting and underfitting.
Feedback also plays a big role. Loan officers, for instance, can offer insights, ensuring the model aligns with human judgment and complies with regulations.
Plus, the model needs regular updates. This helps it adapt to new market conditions or customer profiles. It's a bit like updating recipes with new ingredients as trends change.
Absolutely. For those learning about this, understanding these processes can be incredibly beneficial. You'll not only gain practical skills, but also set a solid foundation for advanced machine learning topics.
Indeed, this knowledge can enhance career opportunities in data science and analytics. By integrating machine learning into the loan process, banks can improve decision-making, reduce risks, and ultimately boost customer satisfaction.
Next, we'll explore how AI is used in other sectors, showcasing its versatility beyond just banking.
Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of artificial intelligence, or AI, and why it's so crucial in shaping modern society. Have you ever wondered why AI matters so much? Well, one big reason is its ability to learn from data.
Exactly, Sarah. AI systems are excellent at analyzing large amounts of data and spotting patterns. This allows them to make decisions quickly and accurately. For example, imagine a doctor using AI to review medical images. AI can help them identify issues faster and with greater precision than traditional methods.
That's a great example, Rana. AI isn't just about speed, it's also about efficiency. Imagine banks using AI to detect fraudulent transactions as they happen. It protects us by ensuring our money is safe.
Right, and it's not just in big institutions. AI is part of our everyday lives too. It brings convenience to our daily routines. Think about how Netflix suggests shows based on what you've watched before, or how Siri and Alexa help us with reminders just by listening to our voice commands.
And don't forget self-driving cars. They use AI to navigate roads, which helps reduce human errors and makes travel safer. AI integrates into our lives in ways we might not even notice, like smart home devices adjusting the lights or temperature to our liking.
One of AI's most exciting features is its adaptability. Unlike static traditional software, AI evolves. Look at email services, for instance. They use AI to continually improve spam filters, learning from what users mark as spam or not.
Yes, that's a perfect example. As AI gets more data, it adapts and becomes even more accurate. Think about language translation apps. They get better with every text they process and every feedback they receive from users.
AI's transformative power doesn't stop there. It's changing how we work and live. In agriculture, for example, AI analyzes soil and weather to advise farmers when to plant, boosting crop yields.
And in healthcare, AI is being developed to predict disease outbreaks by analyzing social media and news. It's incredible how AI's flexibility and efficiency are becoming vital in both industries and our personal lives.
Absolutely, Sarah. By understanding AI's capabilities, we can tap into its full potential, leading to innovative solutions and exciting developments in the future.
That wraps up our discussion on AI's role in enhancing efficiency in everyday life. Next, we'll explore how AI is transforming industries with cutting-edge solutions. Let's dive into how AI is revolutionizing the way banks handle loan applications. Picture this. Traditionally, applying for a bank loan meant lots of paperwork and waiting. But AI is changing that by making the process faster and more efficient.
That's right. So, how exactly does AI fit into this? Well, it begins with understanding the importance of data labeling. Banks have a treasure trove of historical data from past loans, which needs to be categorized.
And why do we categorize this data? Imagine teaching a child to recognize fruits by showing them labeled examples of apples and oranges. Similarly, by labeling loan data, AI systems learn to recognize patterns like whether loans were repaid or defaulted.
Exactly. Then we move on to feature engineering. This involves identifying key factors from the data. Not everything in the data is useful. Important factors like an applicant's income and credit score, or even economic indicators like GDP, are critical.
It's like cleaning up a messy workspace so you can focus better on your task. By filtering out unnecessary data, AI systems can learn faster and perform better.
Now, let's talk about developing the algorithm. These AI models learn from patterns in the labeled data, much like how someone learns to cook by following recipes.
And to ensure these models are reliable, they're tested rigorously with new, unseen data. This ensures they make accurate predictions when processing new loan applications.
Once everything is in place, these AI systems can process loan applications swiftly, making the approval process quicker for customers. But for more complex situations, human experts are still crucial to ensure fairness and sound judgment.
That's where the collaboration between AI and humans shines. By merging AI's speed with human expertise, banks create a system that's not only efficient, but also fair.
The impact is significant. AI aids in better decision-making by providing valuable insights based on data analysis, which boosts operational efficiency. Plus, this framework can extend to other sectors, highlighting AI's versatility.
So, in conclusion, integrating AI into banking does more than optimize loan processing. It sets a standard for potential applications across various industries. This process illustrates the growing role of AI in modern finance.
As we move forward, think about how AI could transform other areas of your life or work, and stay curious about the possibilities it holds.
Today, we're diving into the transformative role of artificial intelligence, or AI. It's truly reshaping the way we tackle complex problems and boost our productivity.
Absolutely, Sarah. AI's impact can be seen across countless fields, offering practical applications and innovations that integrate seamlessly into our daily lives.
Let's start with AI's role in problem solving. One way AI enhances efficiency is by streamlining processes. This means it helps reduce the time and effort we spend deciding things, freeing us up to focus on more strategic tasks.
Right, and AI doesn't replace human expertise. It enhances it. By working alongside human experts, AI can provide insights and predictions that complement human decision-making.
Another big advantage is AI's ability to automate complex tasks. For example, in industries like healthcare or finance, AI can handle data analysis and pattern recognition, which are usually labor-intensive tasks.
Now, to understand how this all works, we need to look at the foundations of AI. There are different types of AI models that have specific functions.
Descriptive models help us look at historical data to identify trends, much like how a store might analyze past sales to predict future demand.
Then we have predictive models, which look forward. A good example is predicting weather patterns using existing climate data.
Lastly, we have generative models. These are fascinating because they can create new content, such as generating artwork or music by learning from existing pieces.
Once the models are developed, they go through a life cycle, from data collection and preparation to model training, and finally deployment in real-world applications.
It's crucial to keep adapting these models with new data and feedback so they remain effective and relevant in our changing world.
Speaking of adaptation, AI is fostering innovation, creating smarter systems across various fields like healthcare and transportation.
And in our daily lives, AI influences everything from smart home devices to virtual assistants, becoming an essential part of both personal and industrial processes.
For those learning about AI, understanding the basics is important. It helps individuals leverage AI's power, whether they're applying it professionally or personally.
In today's tech-driven society, knowing about AI is key since technology keeps changing the way we live and work.
Let's look at a practical example, automating bank loan applications with AI. The system processes applications faster and more accurately, though human oversight is still necessary to ensure fairness.
This not only improves efficiency, but also enhances customer satisfaction, showing just how beneficial AI can be in the banking sector.
To sum up, AI's transformative power offers vast potential for innovation and efficiency across various sectors.
By understanding and embracing AI, we can enhance collaboration and productivity, preparing ourselves for deeper exploration of AI's diverse applications in future learning modules.
Thank you for joining this training session. We hope you found it insightful and valuable for your AI journey. Don't forget to share this session with others, like the video, and subscribe for more updates and exclusive content. Ready to take the next step? Visit our website to explore more programs or book your next training session today.